Good day everyone, good day my beautiful ones. Today we are making salmon fish and green sauce. Before we start, as I always do, I will not forget to do that to appreciate you all, my viewers, my subscribers. You all are amazing. I love you all. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell in case I load a new video. You will be the first to know. Share my video to your friends and family and like my video. Thank you. Wait for it. Okay, the potato has been washed, okay? I'm going to slice it now. Okay. I'm going to place it here. Okay, my beautiful ones. I have my rosemary here. It has been washed, okay? I'm going to put the rosemary inside the potatoes. Okay, I have garlic here, black pepper. Okay. If you have white pepper, you can still use it. Okay. I have extra virgin oil. Okay. Add a little salt to taste. And you mix it together. I'm going to place it inside the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour in 200 degrees, okay? I have fresh ginger here, okay, and 2 garlic. I'm going to blend them together. This is the habanero, green pepper and ginger and garlic. I blend this without water, okay? This is our salmon fish. I'm going to add a little salt inside the blend and pepper and ginger, okay? This powder, no seasoning, I'm going to use it, okay? You guys know that I love this product very well. Okay, I will add a little here. Mix it together. My family will enjoy it, okay? If you try it, you will love to use garlic and ginger anytime you are making your fish. You will love to use it because it's very yummy. Now I'm going to cover the fish, okay, for 15 minutes, okay. I'll just cover it very well so that it will marinate. The seasoning will marinate inside the and slice the onions in a big garniture, okay? I have my spring onions here. Here's big. We have our mushroom here. This is optional. If you love mushroom, you can put it. These are green tomato. Okay. It has been washed. Okay. Extra virgin oil. Okay. Just add a little. Just spread it. Okay. Voila. I will leave it to hot a little. Okay. This is the fish after 15 minutes. Just try to drop it here. And I will close it. Okay. Extra virgin oil. Okay. I'll just leave it to hot a little. Okay. I will add onion. I'm going to add peas, okay? Okay. This is a fresh peas, okay? Make sure you use fresh peas, not canned peas, okay? Add mushroom. I said it before, this is optional. If you love mushrooms, you add mushrooms, okay? And I will just cover it to cook for 2 minutes, okay? Let's check it after 2 minutes, okay? I'm going to add green tomato. At this junction, I'm going to add my salt and seasoning, okay? No seasoning powder, okay? And I will add salt to taste. Then I will add 1 garlic, okay? And I will cover it for 2 minutes to cook, okay? Habanero pepper, I will add spring onions, okay? I just add the fish to separate the sauce, okay? I try and stir it gently, okay? After 1 minute, I'll remove the sauce from the fire. It's ready. This is very yummy, guys. Try it. Yummy food. Okay, now I'm going to add parsley. Okay, parsley. This is the finished look. Try this, my beautiful ones. Oh, so yummy. Thank you, my viewers. I love you all. I love you. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. I love you all. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell. In case I load a new video, you will be the first to know. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.